Are you getting tired and frustrated about all the different adapters and cables you have to use on your new laptop? Now there is an all-in-one solution. Introducing Fofi, a reinvented USB hub with an adjustable phone stand for wireless charging. Foldable, functional, and ultra-powerful, Fofi is a USB-C hub that enables you to charge multiple devices, extend your monitor, and transfer data. Fofi simply turns a single USB-C port into 7 ports, combining all necessary functions into one device so you can organize your desktop perfectly. Thanks to our portable and lightweight design, it's also very convenient to bring anywhere. Unlike other hubs, we also included a wireless charging phone stand. You can easily adjust the angle and use your phone while it's charging. Our 3 coils design allows you to charge flat or while standing up in different positions. With an integrated cable, you have more flexibility to place the hub on your desk and keep your workplace always clean and organized. You don't need any setup or software, simply plug and play. It's very easy to use and compatible with MacBook and Windows notebooks. With the HDMI output, you can extend your screen and even use it with your iPad Pro or Nintendo Switch. Fofi will be available in 2 versions. Besides the standard version with attached cable, we offer a second option that supports a dual roll port for both input and output. We have experience in developing and manufacturing USB hubs and wireless chargers and have put a lot of effort into this project. Now we are ready for mass production and need your help. So please support us and back for your Fofi now.
You don't see that, do you? You don't see the millions of germs, viruses, microbes, and bacteria on that door. But they're there. Meet HOOKEY. HOOKEY is an antimicrobial, no-touch keychain tool. It creates a safe way to complete everyday tasks without touching shared surfaces that harbor bacteria and viruses. 80% of illness-causing germs are spread through your hands. 1 in 5 people don't wash their hands. A single germ can multiply into more than 8 million germs in one day. HOOKEY lets you go about your everyday life with safety and security and allows us to stop the spread together. The patented design lets you open doors, turn handles, push buttons, and even carry groceries without touching a single surface. The antimicrobial silicone coat ensures no pathogens stick to HOOKEY and prevents cross-contamination. Silicone is widely used in both medical and food industries because of its amazing antimicrobial properties, so you know you're in good hands. The silicone coat also prevents HOOKEY from scratching surfaces like car doors, tables, and door handles. HOOKEY is deceptively strong. With a die-cast aluminum body and multi-finger grip, HOOKEY can carry up to 50 pounds of weight. That's 15 grocery bags. HOOKEY is 3.75 inches in length, only 20 grams in weight, and is corrosion and rust-free. Fit it perfectly in your pocket or on your keychain. We have a responsibility to not only protect ourselves, but our community. HOOKEY was born out of this duty, to ensure our safety and the safety of everyone around us. We can be a part of the solution. Back our campaign today, and let's stop the spread together.
start working on not touching your face, because one main way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose, or eyes.
This video, and others like it, went viral, for good reason. Touching the face is a habit we develop before we are born. That's why even health professionals have trouble resisting it. In fact, APIC estimates the average person touches their face 23 times per hour. This behavior is a serious problem right now because it increases your chance of getting infected. So how can you avoid touching your face? What if there was a face shield that could help you break this habit? This is BLOCC. It's designed to be easily worn like glasses. BLOCC covers your eyes, nose, and mouth, the main pathways where infections enter your body. It works as a barrier when you subconsciously reach for these parts and draws your attention whenever you fall into your habit. BLOCC's ergonomic design provides a comfortable fit whether you wear glasses, a mask, or both. It allows for proper airflow, making BLOCC suitable when you go for a run, and also works as a wind deflector when you ride your bike. While ensuring functionality, it doesn't compromise style, so you can feel comfortable wherever you go. BLOCC is reusable. Simply wash it thoroughly with soap water and dry it with soft cotton. Although it's not designed for healthcare or laboratory settings, BLOCC is made of clear polycarbonate, a durable material used to make protective goggles. The prototypes are finished, and the tooling has begun. What's left is your support to bring BLOCC to life. Stay safe, and let's block the spread.
Really? Nothing? Yeah. What are you looking at? Really?
No.
Nothing's going on?
No, that's it.
It's
No.
right?